Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 20 EMA on MetaTrader 4 software. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software. Then after that, choose your currency. So for me, I choose the Euro USD. And after that, go to Insert, Indicator, Trend, then click on Moving Average. Then you will see this pop-up. So go to parameters, period, and type 20. And here in method, make sure you choose exponential because most likely you will find it here on simple. So choose exponential, change the color here. So let's say this one green, and you can choose the thickness here. So let's say this one for example, and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 20 EMA, as you can see. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.